We just got a pretty good snowstorm. Probably a 1.5 foot drift just right here. We got about 4 or 5, maybe 6 inches, but it's just drifting. We're out here working. It's getting cold in North Dakota. First snowstorm of the year. Over and out. Woo! Second day of the storm. That's some pretty good drifts around the house. That little hanger off the roof. Scotty's having fun. Huh? Yeah, let's go play in the snow. Come on. Go. Says we got a little over 10 inches, but I don't know, some places there ain't shit. Yeah. There's some pretty good drifts. Here's a good one right here. Probably about a 3-foot drift. Scott, go! Get it, girl. Get up there. Get it, girl. Get it. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Good girl. Get it. You can get it. You can get it. Hurry up. Now go get it. Go up there and get it. Get it. Oh. You almost had it. Winter Wonderland.